This robot features an advanced self-cleaning roller mop, making it far more efficient than the typical dual-round mops. Other robots spread dirt once their mops get saturated, leaving a mess behind. This one absorbs everything by constantly injecting water and cleaning the roller as it goes. The extendable roller also reaches along walls, while the side brush extends to clean corners deeply. With powerful suction and an anti-tangle feature, it vacuums hair without clogging the brush. It uses AI to detect and avoid obstacles, finding the best cleaning path. The station handles everything from refilling water to self-maintenance, minimizing user intervention.